Start. Sir, I have had the opportunity of going through the performance budgets which was presented to the House by different ministries. Stop. May I request the Finance Minister kindly to go through at least one performance budget. Stop. If you want, you can go through the entire thing and see whether, in the case of at least one ministry, the performance budget has been really fulfilled or not. Stop. He must first satisfy himself. Stop. I, for one, at least can say that it does not give any correct idea as to what are the physical targets which they have set for themselves and how they are going to be answerable to the Parliament next year when the budget is presented. Stop. If we have to compare the performance budget of next year with last year's budget, the members of Parliament should be in a position to find out as to whether they have been able to achieve the targets they have set for themselves, and if they have not, they should find out which department has failed, where the things have gone wrong. Stop. At least we should be able to find out these things. Paragraph change. Sir, the third point which we may bring to the notice of Honorable Finance Minister as a matter of abundant prosecution about the infrastructure facilities which are very badly required if we really believe in industrial and agricultural growth. Stop. Here the state electricity boards, the coal ministry and the railway ministry have a coordination committee. Stop. But at the same time, greater attention will have to be paid to see that our production does not suffer because of the infrastructural facilities which are not coming up to the mark. Stop. That is the only apprehension left. Stop. If we are able to fulfill this expectation, if electricity becomes available to all the industries which are either there or which are newly set up, agriculturalists should also get power, which is very badly required. I am sure the production oriented budget which the Honorable Finance Minister presented to the House will be completely fulfilled and there should be no difficulty about it. Stop. One or two more points which I have to bring to the notice of this House are about the incentives which in fact are very badly required in the agricultural sector. Stop. It is not sufficient. These are to give incentives only for the growth of industry. These are also essential for the agricultural sector which has been requiring also. Full stop.